So most of us are already well aware of GPT-4, ChatGPT, and where it's at. We've all tried experimenting with it, and what we're seeing now is increasingly people are taking a look at Google's Bard. Initially, there were naturally some teething problems, but it is looking very interesting now. And when I look at the searches for Google and ChatGPT, you can see that Bard is closing the gap quite quickly. For me, there's a couple of things. I mean, there's about 9. There's a bunch of different reasons. There's 9 that we've listed below in a blog article here on why you might want to have a good look at Bard. But I think the 2 main ones for me are the top 2 that we've highlighted, which is the sheer scale of the access, the fact that it's so widely available, and the real-time access to the internet, which is really big from a point of view of keeping information current. So it's going to be really interesting watching this play out. I think things could move very quickly. Point is, all of us are starting to use search in a different way, or many of us are. Thank you.